Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we will play Tycoon new cars. Like the game if you enjoy it. Like what do they have VIP, double cash, starter pack, auto collect, extra speed, auto purchase. You can read this. Okay, so let's join. Today my friend is joining, so yep, that's why. And guys, I will post a small no playing game in an hour or something. So yep, that's my friend. Like yesterday, and don't forget like and subscribe and turn the notifications down. Hi. Carl, hello 22 YouTube. Hello people. Look, he's saying hello people. He was in the beach. Today we will play Tycoon. Like and sub for cool. Yes, he's right. Yes. So listen to CND lighting does. If you don't know what means CND, that means cameraman never dies. It's from the full boom. He does Skibidi toilet and cameraman and TV man and speaker and man video. So like to him, he's a cool man. I watch his video every day. So yep. Hey, lighting is right there. Lol. I see him. Fastest boy. Give me money. Money. Plant. Plant. $8 million. I mean money. What is this? Wet grass? I don't want to go. Yay. Can we sit in? Yep, we can. Dinosaur. He's like, look guys, please watch the end. Yes. What? I didn't even that, but okay. Well, what is the wall? The wall. If I need wall or decoration, I think well because it's best for wind, storms, rain, like that. Who has? I think I don't know. Yes, me. Yes. You can join. Yep. Table. Couch. Wow, this is so winter. It's not winter for me. It's summer. It's for me. It's Yep. Wow. Oh. If I want one car, it will be. What's here? This one. Or this one. this no. Mm, maybe this. I can drive this Lamborghini. I like the and this and this. I like all cars. I like Teslas. Hey, what's the game process? I don't know. No, I'm not going to go. Wait, let me fish there. Yeah, he fished. So, what animal will I be? Bubbles. Fish? Yes. Has boy. Wow. He's out there by before. I came back. Well, does the fish? It doesn't. But yay! Look at them. Blue, blue, white, orange. The I like the fireplace. Plants. This looks nice. I need walls so I don't. Oh, here. Wait. What is this? Mansion 2? I'm go guys, and Mansion 2, we will do that later. Oh, wow. So, yep. Oh, I forgot the creator, sorry. Windows. Is it a... No! What is here? What will be here? How did I... Wait, guys. Wait, guys. Okay, then I'm going back. It's the 1st of July. It's yes. Should should I should I tell where I live? Not yet. And guys, if I get uh, uh, 20 likes, and I will 20 likes, no, 20 subscribers, and I will reveal my country. My mansion is big. No, my big. No, my. Lol. Nope. Wow. I will need walls for that. No, my. I'm gonna do this one. Wow. Tick, 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 tick. Tennis court. What? I'm doing the outside because why not? Nope. I'm out by the later. No, I don't need to buy it. How much? Wow, that's a lot. Ding 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 ding. Lightning like lightning does. Back in the got hacked on YouTube, on Roblox, and on Steam. I got hacked everywhere. Well, so be careful. I said, yeah, I'm going to buy, guys. I'm going to buy them. No, just kidding. Why should I? I don't even have. Ding 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 ding. Light. No. The VIP name tag. Ooh. I don't. Oh no, I finished the inside. Fancy. Wow. Unicorn. Wow, there's a lot of noise. Here it is. I am going to buy, so I don't need to buy. Yes. Oh, another one, are you kidding me? Oh, chairs. I'll just buy that later. 2 times. Yep, I'm not buying that. Wow. Wow. My dick. 10 million a fall? What? Painting is... What's that? Okay, you can't buy that. Who has bigger? What the heck? What was that? It was the biggest sound. Stop. Ceiling. Lights. 10,009. 10,009. 10,009. Now just wait. the I think and what the heck? Why is it so good? Now I don't right. Why? Footage. Ding, ding, ding. I wanna go up, but I can. Yep. Let me out. This. Oh, there's another stairs. I just touched the grass so well. Oh. I wanna have a mansion, but I don't have one. I'm not a billionaire. But I may be a millionaire. Gelast. Wow. Who has more upgrade? I think I don't know. Now it's me. Sunbed. Wow, this is cool. This one. So my mansion doesn't get escape. This. Wow. Now the criminal can never escape. Can he? I think so, yes. It's time, but I don't. Yes, I think. But I need this. Yep, I need this. When is he going to take that? That's a lot of money, Bacon. Why am I a little bit not white and he white? What? I'm. People are not white in the real life. Ugh. Who will be? Hello, E. Wow. How do I get in? Am I a criminal or not? Sup and very. I need here. Sup, yeah, sup and very cool. Guys, listen to him. Sup and you will be very cool. If that's right. This is my last video, and the next video I will do in 11 days. But I will make one more video, but not a game video, just a short one, like 20 seconds. I don't know how even window it can open. That's very cool. This game is pretty cool. Let's get a guy. Not gonna lie. Look. Wow. Guys, do you think he is in the first lead or I am? Like who was more things, he or me? That's yep. Table. I'm not wow, not even hard. Let me play what? Bye guys, I will do a part 2 after 11, no, 11 days. I will make a video. Bye. Bye. Bye guys, see you another video. Or not another video in 11 days, but today later. Bye.